Hi guys, I'm Tara, and today I'm going to be making a chocolate Easter nest bundt cake with Galaxy Enchanted Eggs, which is perfect to share with your family and friends over the Easter holidays. Let's get baking. I'm going to start off with a wet mix for the bundt cake. Mix together your brown sugar, oil, maple syrup, eggs, Greek yogurt, and vanilla for flavor. Mix this until it's really nice and smooth. For the dry ingredients, add your flour to a bowl and make sure to sift your cocoa powder in to get rid of any clumps, and that way we'll get a really nice smooth batter. Add your baking soda and always a bit of salt when baking, and then whisk it together. Now pour your wet ingredients into the dry mix, make sure you get it all out, and whisk them to combine. This is going to take a little bit of arm work, but it's worth it. I'm just basically making a chocolate paste here. It's like a cage for cake, this guy. We're adding fresh brewed coffee to this mix. It does two things. The hot water helps bloom the cocoa powder, and the coffee actually enhances the flavor of chocolate. Chocolatey chocolate cake, who doesn't love it? Looking more and more like a cake batter here. Now the rest of the coffee. Add the coffee gradually and whisk it in between until you get a silky smooth chocolate cake batter. And keep mixing until it's really smooth. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. I've greased a bundt tin and dusted it with cocoa powder to maintain that dark chocolate color. Pour in this incredibly smooth batter and give it a couple taps to pop any large air bubbles, and then get it in the oven. Since it's Easter, I'm making a fun chocolate nest to crown the cake. Simply heat up some vegetable oil and add in some broken rice noodles and watch the magic happen. Crispy and light as air. Now pour some melted dark chocolate over top and gently toss the noodles to coat them evenly. I want all this chocolate on these noodles. To make the shape of the nest, arrange the noodles on a parchment-lined plate in the shape of a ring, which is the size of the bundt cake. Keep it as neat as possible and then pop it in the fridge to set. Next up, the easy ganache. I've warmed up some light coconut cream and I'm pouring it over some chopped dark chocolate. Let it sit for 30 seconds before mixing from the center out until it's nice and silky smooth. Glassy, silky, smooth. Let's decorate this cake. With your ganache still warm, you want to pour it over top of the cake, letting it drip down the sides. And spread it just a little to help it along. Time for the nest. Time for the nest. Now to crown the cake with the Easter nest. Don't worry if it breaks, just stick them into place and arrange it nicely. I'm splattering some edible rose gold paint with a brush to make this cake that much more glamorous. It's just a bit of edible rose gold paint mixed with some lemon juice. Just use the tip of your finger with a paintbrush. And to finish, I'm adding the glistening rose gold Galaxy Enchanted Eggs to add that special touch to this Easter nest chocolate bundt cake. And there you have it, the glorious chocolate Easter nest bundt cake with Galaxy Enchanted Eggs. This is perfect to crown your Easter table. Let's give it a slice. Oh, I just love it because it really does look like a chocolate nest. It's such a fun cake to make for your family and friends this Easter. This is so delicious, really moist. I love how sophisticated it looks, so it's perfect for your Easter table. Take it up a notch. That nest is so crispy. The egg. Get all the crunchy bits inside. So good. It's the perfect bundt cake. Guys, I hope you make this Easter, and we'll see you guys next time.